So this short video is just going to go over graphing scatter plots on a graphing calculator. So from the directions from the previous video, you know that you need to enter data into L1 and L2. So the stat button that I was referring to in that video is located right here. So you hit stat, it brings you to this screen. You're going to go into edit, which is already highlighted. So all you have to do is hit enter. And it's going to bring you to this screen where you're going to see lists, L1, L2, L3. Now, if you've used this calculator before, like I might have some data in there. The easiest way to get the data out is to arrow up so that the list is now highlighted, hit clear and enter, and it'll clear out that entire list. So you're going to enter your X values into L1. So let's suppose it's 1, 2, 3. I'm going to type 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I hit my enter. And then what some people have trouble with is, well, how do I get into the second list? All you need to do is arrow to the right, and it's going to pop you into L2. So let's say over here it's 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I've got the points. That's the point 1, 4, 2, 5, and 3, 6. So now, in order to get this graph to come up onto your calculator, if you go back into y equals, you're going to need to turn your plots on. I'm going to go ahead and turn this line off. And if I arrow up and hit enter, notice then it makes that plot 1 turn color. If you remember from a previous video, that was on, and then we had issues with the graph. So if I graph it now, I see those 3 points that I put into L1 and L2. So again, go into y equals, and your plots have to be on in order for L1 and L2 to come up. If you have previous equations in there and you don't want them coming up, all you have to do is arrow on top of the equal sign, and if you hit enter, now that equation is on. If I hit enter again, now that equation is off.